Hi, today I will share how to add texture to a text in Canva. First, open Canva and then click Create. Choose your project size. I will type here YouTube thumbnail. Go to Element. Add a texture that you want. Type here, for example, rock. On the photos, I will choose this one. And then go to Text. Scroll down. Click See All. I will choose Type Cutout. Type the text here. Select the texture and click Use Selected Image. You can change the font here. I will type here Archivo. I will choose Archivo Black. I will click Image Setting. I will increase the image scale. And then I will rotate it back. Scroll down. I will remove the text outline and then add to design. I will remove this rock. I will increase the size. I will duplicate it. Select the picture on the back. Go to Edit. Scroll down. Find Dual Tone and Effects. Choose Dual Tone. Choose Custom. Change the highlight to black. And then move it here. Now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.